What's up, Andrew? Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Box Breaks by the Hoop Doctor. Yes, I did, Tim. I got that message. Thank you. I've made me a note, and I will hold them until you let me know. All right, third break of the night. Bowman Chrome Mega Boxes. Not guaranteed any autographs or number cards, but I've been pretty blessed so far this year. We've pulled some good ones, and hopefully tonight will be the same. A lot of rookie cards available here in the regular packs of Bowman Chrome, and then we get into the Mojo packs, and we're going to be hunting some first Bowmans. Yeah, Andrew, maybe I can carry that box to the post office. I don't know, my back. We'll just have to see, but I'll get those cards out to you in the morning. But yes, you have been holding for a while, and I think you got some good cards heading your way. For the new people, let me tell you a little bit about how I do my breaks. I am going to show all cards. I'm going to call all players by name. I'm also going to call out the team they play for. All cards, all rookies, inserts, parallels, and megastars will at least be sleeved up, if not top-loaded. And like I said, these cards will be in the mail to you tomorrow. Now, as Tim was mentioning, I do offer to hold your cards. As Andrew said and noted, I'll hold them for a good while till you get a big old suitcase full if that's what you want, or I'll hold them until Wednesday, whatever the case may be, and save you some shipping as much as I can. I don't mind losing money on shipping to save y'all. I love to have return customers, and hopefully you'll be pleased with your experience. If you do want me to hold your cards, you will need to make either a comment here in the comment sections or do like Tim and reach out to me on eBay or Facebook before I get these things sent off in the morning. Good luck. Here we go with the 5 regular packs. Andrew's asking for some Alec Baum. This is where we would get them. Here's JT Real Muto to the Phillies, Francisco Lindor Mets, Freddie Freeman Braves, Miguel Cabrera Tigers, and our first rookie of the night to the Dodgers, Keibert Ruiz. Here's Ian Anderson's rookie card to the Braves, Brady Singer rookie, Royals, Suarez Reds, Merrifield to the Royals, and Ariz, Minnesota Twins. Give me some big name rookies right here. There's Luis Patino Padres, Spencer Howard rookie to the Phillies, Perdomo Diamondbacks rookie, Javier Baez Cubs, Juan Soto to the Nationals. Fernando Tatis Jr. Padres, Randy Arozarena to the Rays. I think this is going to be Ohtani. It is to the Angels, Shohei Ohtani, Jose Altuve Astros, and Devi Garcia, rookie to the Yankees. Last regular pack of box 1. Brian Reynolds Pirates, Vladdy Jr. to the Blue Jays, Yadier to the Cardinals, Alex Kirilloff rookie Twins, and Jesus Sanchez, Miami Marlins rookie. Okay, Mojos, let's do your thing. Starting off with J.J. Bleday to the Marlins. Here's a first Bowman, Pedro Leon, Houston Astros. Dawn of Glory, Gabriel Arias to the Indians. And turned upside down here, Drew Waters to the Braves, and Tristan Casas to the Red Sox. So only one first Bowman in that pack. That was the Dawn of Glory pack, so if we're going to get a numbered or an auto, it's going to be right here in this pack. Okay, Zach Veen to the Rockies, Heston Kjerstad, Baltimore Orioles, and we got an autograph. Oh, I like this guy. I am a big Texas Rangers fan, and this guy is legit. I'm jealous. I'd actually love to buy this card from whoever got the Rangers. Justin Fouché, Texas Rangers, Mojo autograph. How about that? I think I can see all those letters in that. I see the J and a bunch of little letters and the F and a bunch of little letters, or maybe I'm not seeing what I think I'm seeing. There you go, Texas Rangers. And here is Riley Green, Detroit Tigers, and first Bowman. No, not first Bowman. Hedbert Perez to the Brewers. The Brewers have 2 or 3 first Bowmans in here. He was a first Bowman in the regular Bowman product this year. Okay, there we go. Second mega box. One for one on autographs tonight. Okay, Andres Jimenez, Cleveland Indians rookie. Dave Dunning, Rangers rookie. Dylan Carlson, there's a big name, Cardinals rookie. Atlanta Braves, Christian Pache rookie. Shane Bieber to the Indians. Good start to this box. Tyler Stevenson, Cincinnati Reds rookie. Nate Pearson rookie card to the Blue Jays. The Rangers pick up a Sam Huff rookie. We have Ketel Marte, Arizona, and Kyle Lewis to the Mariners. Keston Hiura, Brewers. Pete Alonso, Mets. Paul Goldschmidt, Cardinals. There's Mike Trout. That goes nicely with that Shohei Ohtani earlier. And the Joe Adele goes well with them. Rookie card to the Cardinals. Things are heating up a little bit here in box 2 with the base rookies and stars. Still missing Alec Baum, Ryan Mountcastle, Cabrian Hayes, Jazz Chisholm. So we got a few rookies still to get. Here's Jesus Luzardo to the Athletics, Jorge Soler, Kansas City, Jose Ramirez to Cleveland, J.D. Martinez, Boston, and the Phillies get Bryce Harper last regular pack box number 2. Ryan Jeffers, Twins rookie. There's Bobby Dalbec. That's one of the big names. I should have mentioned him earlier. Red Sox, Sixto Sanchez, Marlins, Tristan McKenzie rookie to the Reds, and the Tigers get their Casey Mize rookie card. Okay, can we get us another autograph? Okay, we start off with Robert Hassel to the Padres. Hey, looky here, Tampa Bay Rays. Mojo, Wander Franco, Dawn of Glory. Yankees, Kelvin Alcantara. Jordan Adams to the Angels. And Brennan Davis to the Cubs. No first Bowmans. Man, being stingy tonight on the first Bowmans. We've opened 3 5-card packs and only have 1. Okay, looky here, Toronto Blue Jays. Austin Martin Mojo, followed by Gabriel Arias to the Indians. The Pirates have an autograph. Nick Gonzalez. Pittsburgh Pirates. He's a good young player. Austin Hendricks to the Reds. And there's a first Bowman going to the Dodgers. Wilman Diaz. That's a pretty good one right there. All right. 2 boxes. 2 Mojo autographs. Box number 3. All right, Jorge Soler, Kansas City, Jose Ramirez, Indians, J.D. Martinez, Boston, Bryce Harper, Phillies, and George Springer to the Blue Jays. No rookies in that pack. JD Martinez, Boston. Bryce Harper, Phillies. George Springer, Toronto. Clark Schmidt, rookie to the Yanks. And our first San Francisco Giants, Joey Bart, rookie. Clark Schmidt, Giants, Yankees. Joey Bart, Giants, rookie. Tariq Skubal, Detroit Tigers, rookie. Shane McClanahan, rookie to the Rays. Joey Votto, Cincinnati. And Cody Bellinger to the Dodgers. I feel like we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did we get like 7 cards in that pack? Tariq Skubal, rookie, Detroit. Another McClanahan, Rays, rookie. Joey Votto, Reds. Cody Bellinger, Dodgers. Gleyber Torres to the Yankees. Last pack. Jose Abreu, White Sox. Ronald Acuna Jr. to the Braves. Rookie card, Taylor Trammell, Mariners. Mike Yastrzemski, Giants. Another Jose Abreu, another Acuna, and another Trammell. And I checked this pack. We got 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think we got extra cards in that box. It's Mojo time. All right, first Bowman to the Giants, Luis Torbillo, followed by Nick York to Boston. Alexander Majica, first Bowman to the Pirates. This third card's not a Dawn of Glory or an autograph or numbered. I don't think we're going to get one, but we do get another first Bowman. Jordan Adams to the Angels, Brennan Davis to the Cubs. I think this will be the Dawn of Glory pack. Jordan Groshans, Blue Jays. Jason Dominguez, New York Yankees, Mojo. Another Kevin Alcantara, Mojo, Dawn of Glory to the Yanks. Austin Hendricks, Reds. And another Wilman Diaz to the Dodgers, first Bowman. 3 first Bowmans in that pack. Or maybe in that box, but we didn't get an auto or a numbered. So going to box 4. Let's see what we can do here. Still hunting Andrews, Alec Baum, rookie. Let's see if we can get him. There's Joey Gallo to the Rangers, Austin Hayes, Orioles, Andrew Vaughn, rookie to the White Sox, Alejandro Kirk, rookie, Toronto, and the Diamondbacks get a Dalton Varsho rookie card. Luis Campusano, rookie to the Padres, Chris Bryant, Cubs, Jordan to the Astros, Max Scherzer, Washington, Matt Chapman, Athletics. Ryan Mountcastle, Baltimore Orioles rookie card. Luis Garcia, Nationals rookie card. Another Campusano, rookie to the Padres. Chris Bryant, Cubs, and another Jordan, Houston. So there's Ryan Mountcastle. Buster Posey, Giants. Austin Meadows, Rays. Xander Bogaerts to the Red Sox. Akil Baddoo, rookie card, Detroit Tigers. And Mercedes to the White Sox. Tigers have 3 different rookie cards so far. And last regular pack. Max Scherzer, Nationals. Matt Chapman, A's. Buster Posey, Giants. Austin Meadows, Rays. Oh, and Xander Bogaerts to the Red Sox. Come on, Mojo. Cade Cavalli, Washington. First Bowman, Starling Aguilar, Seattle Mariners. There you go. Dawn of Glory. Asa Lacy to the Royals. First Bowman. Ooh, Mariners. Makar Perez, first Bowman. And Max Meyer to the Marlins. So Seattle Mariners love that pack. Couple of first Bowman Mojos. All right, here's the pack that could have an auto or numbered card. Hunter Green, Cincinnati. Here's the Athletics, Pedro Pineda. First Bowman Mojo. No, we don't get an auto or a number. We get Alexander Ramirez, first Bowman to the Mets. Blaze Jordan. We got Blaze Jordan, and we got Austin Martin and Jason Dominguez. All mojos in this break, and we end with Michael Toglia to the Rockies. Let me show you what we did get. First two boxes went auto. Last two at least had a bunch of first Bowmans. Pineda, first Bowman. Alexander Ramirez, first Bowman. We get a Blaze Jordan mojo. Starlin Aguilar, first Bowman. Makar Perez, first Bowman. Rookie card of Akil Baddoo and rookie of Ryan Mountcastle. First Bowman, Luis Torbillo. First Bowman, Alexander Mojica. There's a Jason Dominguez mojo. First Bowman, Wilman Diaz. We got two of those for the Los Angeles Dodgers. Here's Austin Martin to the Blue Jays, big name. Wilmer Diaz, there's the other Wilmer Diaz. We got Wander Franco, too, in mojo. I'd forgot about him. Bobby Dalbec, rookie. Dylan Carlson, rookie. Christian Pache. Joe Adele. Nice run of rookies there. We also got a Heston Kjerstad mojo. We got Pedro Leon, first Bowman. And the autographs, Pittsburgh Pirates, Nick Gonzalez. And the Texas Rangers, Justin Fouché. Oh, okay, well, thank y'all so much. I'm going to get off here and get these ready to roll your way in the morning. Y'all have a great week. If I don't see you before Thursday, happy Thanksgiving. I give thanks for you and for me to be able to do this on the side. Y'all have a great one. Good night.